in April, we did a fundraising effort where all of our sales consultants could get involved with their spa party hosts and customers. And we decided for every one of those party events that was submitted, home office would donate to Feeding America. Well, we were able to sponsor over 80,000 meals, over $8,000 that went to Feeding America. And of course, part of that goes to the Tampa Bay chapter right here in our local community.
Every single dollar that comes into a Feeding America food bank is exponential to our neighbors in need. And so we're just super appreciative of everything you guys are doing and the efforts that you're taking on right now. We very much appreciate it.
Over 2,200 party orders were submitted during the whole month of November because of you and your amazing hosts. Therefore, we are sponsoring over 22,000 meals from home office just for the month of November. Congratulations. During our whole month of October, we're doing a give back campaign tied to our pink healing balm. So I brought one of these, and of course it's included in your gift basket for your organization, but also we're going to be donating some funds directly to your organization as well, Winna, because we just feel so strongly that you are the type of person that makes that strong connection. You are so encouraging, empowering the women going through a very difficult time. One of the things that we're doing this year, as you know, is our pink healing balm, and we sent you some so that you could do a gift with purchase this month.
Most importantly, $2 from every balm is going to help the Breast Cancer Research Foundation. Research is really where the money matters. You know, we need treatments and a cure.
I have been so blessed to meet different women who work with your products and who, you know, represent your products. And it's just such an amazing, amazing company. So I am so excited to be in line with you guys.
And that's where companies like Lemongrass Spa come into. You know, they're really helping educate, change ingredients, and give people option to safer products to use that are still great and work, and you know, you can feel good putting them on your body. You can feel good if your daughter grabs your makeup. It's not going to hurt her or you.
We're all thrivers, cancer diagnosis or not. Like, we're all thriving through adversity.
When the suggestion was made to create a kit that had the healing elements, these are our new human kindness. This is the uplift with the spearmint. And with every one of those purchased in January, and actually throughout the whole year, because in our catalog, we have printed that nonprofit organizations will be blessed for every purchase. So $1 goes with those human kindness as well as the original human kindness that are in our catalog.
I have been working with an organization called the Lifeguard Group for about 2 years now. I helped them. We did a fundraiser last Christmas, and I was able to send them I want to say close to 50 of the human kindness kits. Lowell, the gentleman who runs this organization, contacted me and said, "Hey, would you want to do that again this year?" And I was like, "Of course." And said, "Well, here's the deal. I'm going to want about 3,000 of those kits."
And I just, you know, for me as a consultant, I was so thrilled that we had a CEO that listened to all the things that, you know, we're doing and what people want and what they need, and to actually implement something like that.
We are talking to women. We're talking to people as we start to talk about this campaign, but we're also talking about real people.
This is a perfect time to call your state police office, your local sheriff's office, find, a human trafficking coalition in your area and meet with them or talk with them on the phone and set up a fundraiser for next month. Let's help these people out. They need all the help that they can get.
I saw so many of you in our community posting about some things that you're doing, whether that's for giving back to the military with Freedom Feet or gifting other items. Congratulations on all your success with that.